Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, like as usual, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro-dollar. I recommended you, if price hold below this consolidation, I recommended you short this instrument, and my first target in this case was around 1.1250. As you can see, price hit my first target in this case. Pound USD, the next currency pair. In this currency pair, I recommended you, if price hold below this consolidation, it will be nice. It was nice opportunity to take a short. As you can see, price hit my first target around 1.2620. Canadian dollar. They said in Canadian dollar, if price hold below this consolidation, like in this case, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, my first target will be around 1.30. 33.60. As you can see, price hit my first target. Another currency pair is Australian dollar. I recommended you, if price hold above this consolidation, take a long. As you can see, price hold above this consolidation, but unfortunately price not going in my direction, hit my stop loss. That's why I cannot say these ideas work perfectly. In gold, I recommended you long gold if price hold above this consolidation, as you can see, like in this case, and also price hit my first target in this case. That's why I can say this idea worked pretty perfectly. In oil, I recommended you short this instrument if price hold below this triangle. As you can see, price with an impulsive movement break this triangle, hold below. That's why it was a nice opportunity to take a short trade, and price hit my first target around $38 per contract. Another instrument is S&P 500. In S&P 500, I recommended you long if price hold above 3,200 in S&P. Price with an impulsive break this consolidation, try to hold above, but nothing has happened, and price hit my stop loss. That's why I cannot say this idea is pretty perfect. But anyway, if you're in a position right now, if you put your stop loss in the right place, I mean right place for stop loss in this case will be below this consolidation. That's why if you're in a position right now, stay in a position, you'll be fine, because I expect that the price hit my first target around 3,300 in S&P 500. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Let's start with euro-dollar. In euro-dollar, I expect two scenarios. Number one, if price with an impulsive movement form breakout of this important resistance level, then pullback, reversal model will be a nice opportunity to take a long, and your first target will be around 1.15. Another scenario, if price form false breakout of this important resistance level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, your first target will be around 1.13. Another idea in pound USD. As you can see, in the pound USD, price tried to hold above important resistance level, 1.2750. That's why I expected the price going up until 1.2820. This is the first scenario. The second one, if we will see false breakout, I mean if price right now hold below 1.2750, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short trade. In this case, your first target will be around 1.2650. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar, I'm pretty bullish in Canadian dollar, because price was yesterday was an impulsive movement. Price break this level, and right now price try to test this impulsive level. That's why if price hold above 1.3410, I mean if price hold above this level, it will be a nice opportunity for me to take a long trade. In this case, my first target will be around 1.35 in Canadian dollar. Another idea in gold. I expect also two scenarios here. If price with an impulsive movement for breakout of this resistance level, then pullback will be a nice opportunity to take a long trade. In this case, my first target will be around 1732. The same if price with an impulsive, if price formed false breakout of this resistance level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short trade. In this case, my first target will be around 1710. Another idea in some US stocks. The first one is Imron Limited. I am RN ticker of this company. Let's look on M5 charts. On M5 charts, here we can see important support level around 20.50 and $24 per share. If price hold below 20, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short trade. In this case, the first target will be around $14 per share. If price going up until $24 per share, then reversal model here, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short also. In this case, the first target will be in the same place, around $14 per share. Another stock, IZEA ticker of this company. Right now, price staying some sort of consolidation. That's why I expect if price break $180 per share and hold below 180, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 120. Another stocks, CHWY ticker of this company. Let's look on M15 charts here. In M15 charts here, we can see how price a long period of time stay in a consolidation, some sort of consolidation. Yesterday price break this consolidation, try to hold above. That's why if price after open hold above 51, better say if price after US market is open hold above $52 per share, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around $53 per share. Another idea in 5 below company, 5 ticker of this company. Let's look on H1 chart. In H1 chart, we can see some sort of important support level around 102.50. That's why I expect the price get a bounce from this important level and going up until $110 per share. It will be my first target in these stocks. Well, guys, I think this idea will be help to make money in the next trading session. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next video.